Good afternoon, friends. Today I have come up with a topic that is interesting and that all advocates should be knowing, and it is for more majorly brush up to all advocates as well as it is for maximum side for younger advocates who have recently joined. I am making for them. I am making for all my learned friends also. Conduct and duties of advocate. The basic thing that each and every advocate should know. Advocacy is a noble profession. It can't be compared with any other profession like trade, business, etc. Because it is a part and parcel of judiciary and administration of justice. Bar and bench are two eyes of the justice. There are judicial ethics and etiquette of court judges. There are professional ethics and etiquette for advocates. Every advocate should follow in his profession. An advocate is also a key person in conducting a proceeding before the court. While conducting a proceeding, the advocate should function intelligently. There are several functions entrusted to the advocate. There are 5 most important functions. What are they? We have this: briefing, counseling, pleading, drafting, convincing, examination, cross-examination, chief examination of witness, and finally argument. Beside them, an advocate has to do several functions which are necessary in conducting proceedings. While carrying out these functions, an advocate must act prudently, legally, and casually. There are several ethics and etiquettes controlling the conduct of advocates. These ethics and etiquette impose certain duties upon the advocates. Ethics and etiquette means ethics are morals, a moral philosophy, or a moral science. This is the first stage of society. It is the first stage of society. Etiquette is the second stage which formulate the rules of the behavior standard in polite society. Humans have experienced ethics in their life. They are inherent in every religion. Along with the civilization of humans, there were ethics. Every religion preached morals and ethics. Etiquette is restricted to particular kind of profession. It is nothing but regularization of ethics. In simple word, ethics are bundle of habits, whereas etiquette is a bundle of rules of ethics. These rules have statutory force. Every advocate must follow these duties because they are part and parcel of the professional ethics and etiquettes. Whoever fails to oblige them, such an advocate is said to have committed professional misconduct and be punished accordingly. As I stated above, the important duties that have to be followed by the advocates are, what are those? adequate duty to the court, adequate duty to the client, adequate duty to the opponent advocates, adequate duty to the cross-examination, adequate duty to the colleagues, which I can take in my next lecture series. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.